Welcome to today's chatter. No frills tech news with the top 5 stories of the day. We talk about the dataset that changed AI, US offices being underwater, the most expensive domain sale, data science in venture capital, and the stars that are going viral. Without further ado, let's get into it. First up, the dataset that changed AI forever. Fei-Fei Li's ImageNet project, with their 14 million images, made large-scale image recognition possible. The Dataset initiative bridged AI from academia to industry success with AlexNet, who improved computer vision accuracy to 85%. That's 10% higher than prior models. It created an industry standard dataset for comparisons. ImageNet required 3 reviewers per image for accuracy. It also elevated researchers and companies focused on machine learning and vision. Critics argue that the achievements were due to hardware advancements, such as within GPUs, more than data. Future AI advancements will require more specialized and diverse datasets to address specific challenges. Public datasets like ImageNet or Common Crawl demonstrate the value of open source. This gives more people the opportunity to benefit. Next up, US offices are underwater. Single asset, single borrower or SASB debt used for large office properties grew to $300 billion. Unlike traditional commercial mortgage-backed securities, which pool multiple loans from various properties, SASBs make or break the bank with just one building. The pandemic, leaving most office buildings empty, exposed the deep flaws in this risky concept. Initially, these AAA ratings, this is the best rating, for individual offices, provided confidence and attracted substantial investment. It allowed investors to gain high exposure to priced properties. They got exactly which property they wanted. But declining demand for office space now threatens further devaluation. AAA-rated debt is now at risk of major losses. Like all financial products, portfolio management requires risk assessments. As it stands today, these fragmented assets should have been part of a better diversified portfolio. Next, the most expensive domain ever sold? Maybe? OpenAI just bought the chat.com domain, which was previously purchased for over 50 million in 2022. Was the second most expensive domain sale ever. The domain now redirects to ChatGPT, potentially signaling branding moves. CEO Sam Altman previously said that he would prefer a different name, and dropping the GPT makes the chat more accessible. The domain gives OpenAI a memorable, accessible brand for expanding ChatGPT's visibility, and it could be part of a larger strategy to position OpenAI services broadly. But it lacks clear value add for ChatGPT's functionality, and it's already a highly recognized brand name. It's unclear how much OpenAI paid for this top dollar domain. This is a marketing move at best, and at worst, a tech bro deal. The previous domain holder, one of HubSpot's co-founders, certainly doesn't need a few extra millions. Next up, data science in VC. Many VC firms employ a hybrid approach to data system, mixing custom-built models with market tools. Building a data-driven culture is key for venture capital success, requiring alignment of technical and investment teams. Data supports now all layers of startup investment decisions, and it increased efficiency through automated deal sourcing tools. But these data tools can have short lifespans, as it constantly has to adapt to startup trends. Also, custom-built systems can demand significant resources. These automated workflows, particularly in startup sourcing and research to filter potential investments, are increasing efficiency. But finding quality picks likely still requires qualitative, hands-on action. And last up, the stars. Oops. The stars are going viral. Demand for the James Webb Space Telescope outstrips supply by 9x. Astronomers are racing to secure time for the Space Telescope as it continues to unveil groundbreaking insights. It catches the faintest, farthest galaxies ever observed. New findings could redefine theories of galaxy formations, cosmic evolution, and Star Wars. High demand means many researchers miss out. Critics say space telescopes aren't worth the massive investment. They would rather redirect the investment towards Earth. From a business perspective, high demand signals interest to further invest in future upgrades or new telescopes. This promises decades of research potential.